Right, so I hope everyone's doing okay. Not been on for a little while, just been doing other things, but I'm going to try and get back on it a bit soon. So, an idea for a trap for a kind of deadfall, if you couldn't get any big bits of wood or anything heavy. So all we got is just small sticks, but to create the power, to bring it down with force, we made a bow across the top of it there. So that bow is essentially just like a bundle of sticks. What I actually did on this one to make it stronger is I've actually put a tent pole, half of a tent pole underneath, but that's just so I could get a good lot of strength on it. So a bow, one piece of wood going along here. It's got this little, I had to hammer this piece in, but if you had a twig, a convenient twig, that would work. This top stick is forked to push against that, slight notch there, and then just a simple figure 4 mechanism between, so that when that trigger is released, this will come smashing down because the bow is pulling it down. So hopefully that all makes sense. You can kind of see how it is, all just tied together. You would need a fair bit of cordage to make this, and I'll be honest, because it's got such force being pushed down, it's actually quite hard to set. So the animal would go in, touch the figure 4, and then gets caught in there. And now you can see how the bow is. It's just tied on, and you pull it up to set the trigger. The only thing I would have done different is this end. This end here, I would have made it about 6 inches longer, and that is just so I could put 1 foot that end, 1 foot this end for pulling it up to set the trigger in between.